How protein helps in muscle building. Protein is crucial in muscle building. This is because it is protein that is responsible for stimulating muscle growth and regeneration, protein synthesis, muscle repair, muscle metabolism. The amino acids in protein are responsible for building and maintaining muscles and tissues in your body, among other vital functions. In your everyday life, your body undergoes constant wear and tear. This is higher if you are an athlete. Protein is responsible for repairing these tissues and helps build them stronger. This is how you get stronger. Apart from this, protein also helps carry vital nutrients to all parts of the body, builds your skeletal structure, and plays a vital role in keeping several other factors in check. All of this is crucial for strength and muscle building. For healthy food tips, subscribe to our channel.